What's going on, you guys? Uncle Jess here. Just want to let you know that Hasbro Toys has just announced a new Legendary Series replica prop that they are adding to their collection. This is another $99 replica prop. This time, it's going to be Frank Castle, aka the Punisher, his Iron Man variation. Actually, I think in the comics it was War Machine, but it looks like they're taking the original Iron Man helmet that I have behind me here that I so enjoy putting on display and wearing from time to time. Won't lie, yes, I do wear those. But they're creating a variation in the Punisher style of that mask, and it has red light up eyes as well, which is very, very cool. It sounds like it's gonna have some light up sound effects as well, attaching and detaching the faceplate triggers, light up eyes, and sound effects. I'm not sure if it's gonna have different sound effects or not than the original Iron Man one that I have behind me, but this is very, very cool. It's again gonna be $99. I'll have links over to the Hasbro Pulse website where I have mine pre-ordered. I don't know if it's available on Amazon to pre-order yet. I'll see if there's a link. If there is, I'll put that down below or update that as soon as it is. And it doesn't say, actually, sorry, it does say it's gonna be October time frame is when this is gonna start shipping out. So very cool. Was not actually anticipating them putting out another prop in this series. Typically they only do about 2 a year. This is the third that they're producing for 2019. So again, super cool, very quick video. Just wanted to let you guys know about this because I know there's a lot of people that follow this channel that are interested in these replica props that are behind me, and I'm a big supporter of these. And that $100 price point is just the sweet spot for replica props. Not too expensive, quality's good, you know, not too crazy cheap, and it's crappy, but it still looks really nice to have on display or wear around, and this one looks pretty epic. So hopefully this turns out pretty nice once the full production run is available. As soon as I get mine on hand, you'll be seeing an unboxing here. And hopefully soon I'll have my hands on with the Avengers Endgame Infinity Gauntlet that I pre-ordered a handful of months ago. Should be coming here any day now, any week now, so we'll see. Hey, thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.